Engineers and scientists worldwide use MATLAB to solve complicated real-world problems, analyze data, and visualize ideas that lead to a better understanding of complex systems. So what's special about MATLAB? MATLAB combines a desktop environment tuned for iterative analysis with a programming language whose syntax mirrors common science and engineering notation. MATLAB also provides the ability to quickly create and customize various types of visualizations. This course will get you up to speed on MATLAB so that you can start leveraging these capabilities. The course walks you through the basics of using MATLAB, including performing calculations with commands, importing data from external sources, and visualizing data using plotting functions. You'll also complete quizzes and exercises by writing code in a MATLAB session within your browser. As you work through each prompt, you'll receive hints and feedback, and your answers will be graded automatically. The course should take about 2 hours, but you can leave and come back anytime. So what are you waiting for? Start MATLAB Onramp today.